Alright guys, if you're curious what a Cali model looks like that's offered by DR Horton, well, check it out. There's one directly behind me. If you want to see what the Cali looks like from the inside, all 1,828 square feet of pure glory. She's got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's go ahead and jump right in, because here we are. So I really like the front facade of this property. She's got a lot of character, a lot of charm. It just seems like a really well constructed home. Going in, we'll start noticing a couple of things. So, like I mentioned, 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. You've got this nice hallway as soon as you enter the property, and immediately to our right is a nice little coat closet. Now, starting off on our right-hand side, we have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom 1. So, both rooms are pretty comparable in space, 10 by 11 or so. I'm not an architect. And your bathroom, single vanity, tub insert. And bedroom number 2, similar space, closet size, comparable. It's nice to have the door versus the bifolds because those are fun to work with. And cruising along. So, still in the hallway, and to our left here is going to be the garage entrance or exit, however you want to do it. So if you park in the garage, like no really Floridian does, this is how you get into the property. But for the most part, it's a pretty standard garage. Appears to be a little bit bigger than some of the other ones I've been in as far as 2 cars involved. And then here are all your hurricane shutters for the property, and I'll show you how those go on here in a little bit. But here's the other advantage of the garage. Your water heater, power panel. That's about as sexy as it gets in these things. Moving along. So there is your laundry space. We were talking about sexy areas. This is it. Laundry, backing out. This is going to be bedroom number 3. Looks like the largest of the guest rooms in here. Another door to that closet. Moving right along to this, the open concept that is very popular right now. You've got the nice island here. Your dishwasher would go in there. That's what that box is there, but it's not there. But you can use your imagination. It's actually right there, but it'll go there. You understand? And then here's the other side. Nice 42-inch cabinetry. Something I really like about this floor plan is the dedicated space for the pantry. Oftentimes, anytime you see a home that's less than 2,000 square feet, the pantry is about a half of that space. So that was a really good design feature. Then, of course, it opens up into your dining room. Gives you nice views of the backyard. And your great room, or the family room over there. So really good space in here for all of that. Give you another little vantage from this angle. But nice storage. Could be a little coffee bar setup over there. Good amount of cabinets. And those 42-inch really give you nice space just to kind of open up and show you. But nice 42-inch cabinetry. All right, so you've seen the family room. Last but certainly not least, the primary retreat, also known as the master bedroom. Good space in here, good positioning, bed. You've got a couple outlets there if you wanted to put nightstands. I'm sure there's a couple of different configurations that people use in there, but I'm sure when the design was thought out on this home, bed, maybe on that wall, cable, TV there. It could also go there. Really just depends, but it's a good enough space room to give you some options. And into the bathroom. Double vanity. Your shower. This is a linen closet, could also be known as his. And then the beautiful walk-in closet for her or him, or her and him, or just him. But good size space closet. Something, again, I really appreciate about the Cali floor plan is the designated space for those closets. So having that nice pantry over there, that's a good little bonus. And then that walk-in closet in the master area, you don't find that often. And now we're going to just walk out back. So this is the patio that you're seeing here. The backyard. That's about it. Now, those shutters that I referenced earlier, You're gonna see that on all windows. These are actually just covers that go in there. You put those shutters on each, you'd put the panels here and overlay them, and then you'd have some wing nuts to go on that and tighten them down. So that's the Cali, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,828 square feet. It's got a really nice separation from the primary bedroom and the rest of the bedrooms, and then this open space here with the kitchen, and then into the living. Just feels really good. Nice open floor plan. It's really well designed for coming in at less than 2,000 square feet. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Hope you appreciate it. Hope you love it. I'm done.